So, hey guys, today I have a little story to tell you. So, I'm gonna show you my pets today. You're gonna be shocked, actually. All YouTubers have a bunch of pets, but I don't really have a bunch of pets. I only have 3 legendaries. There is a bunch of ultra rares. In fact, I have 4. I have a bunch of ultra rares. And it's really sad for me because I don't have a lot of pets. And a bunch of other people are rich and stuff and adopt me. And it's really sad because I've contacted multiple times. And I don't have a bunch of Robux like you guys do. I have to work very hard for my Robux. And it's just really hard to play this game. Because, no one will trade me. I'll show you guys. I'm going to tell my kids. I'm going to come to the school. And it's really fun. Normal shit. And I can't just go spending off some of my Robux. Plus, I missed a bunch of events. And there's only 2 legendaries that are actually attainable right now. You see all these. This isn't attainable. This is attainable, but only from Dynamite. Not attainable, not attainable. Not attainable, not attainable. Sorry guys about that thing. Actually, this is attainable, but you have Robux have to have that. Not attainable, not attainable, not attainable, not attainable. Attainable with Robux. Not attainable, not attainable. Well, actually, these are attainable. Sorry for that weird noise. But you have to have the star chart. But you have to have the star rewards for that. Sorry about that weird noise. But most of these are not attainable. This is only the attainable pet that you can get for and a unicorn. That's the only pet that's obtainable. And I don't have a lot of neons. It's kind of sad because, yeah. This is my other toy. Okay.